up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Yeislin and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an unboxing from Boxycharm. This is my first time doing this kind of video and I am excited because I have not done this video before. So I receive Boxycharm every month for 25 bucks and I really love this subscription because you receive 5 items, 5 full-size items for 25 bucks every month, and some of the items that I receive in my Boxycharm are worth like 50, 60, 70 bucks. So I definitely think this subscription is a steal and I mostly love all of the things that I get in my Boxycharm. So if you guys want to see what I have in my Boxycharm this month and also want to see the look I created with what I got in my Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is the Kypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. This serum right here, and the description that it came with says antioxidant dew lavishes skin with quenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. This retails for $90. Can you guys believe that? This bottle retails for $90 and I only paid $25 for the box, and this is just the first item that I'm reading so far. Can you believe that? 90 bucks? I'm so excited to try it now because this is expensive. So this feels really smooth and silky on the skin. It also gives me like a little cooling sensation, like a very refreshing sensation on the face. And I definitely see that it gave me a slight glow. So the second thing that I received in my Boxycharm is the Starry Eyes Indulgent Self-Warming Eye Mask by Pop Mask. It's this right here. We actually received 2 of these, and the description that it came with says, these self-heating pop masks will encourage circulation around the eye area and aid in deep puffing and relaxing. You may find that you can help ease migraines, soothe dry eyes, and support restful sleep. Once the pouch is open, the eye mask will start to gently warm. Pop the loops around your ears, sit back and relax. But this retails for 10 bucks, and like I did mention, we did receive 2 in our Boxycharm, so I am ready to try these out. So they're self-warming, so I'm excited to see how that feels and how long it takes. I think it says it takes about 30 seconds for it to warm up, and we can leave it on for 20 minutes. Well, it will last for 20 minutes. So I'm not going to be trying it out because it really is a eye mask. I thought it was going to be like an eye gel that you can wear under your eyes for some reason. I don't know why I thought that. So I will try this out and I will tell you guys in my next video how I felt about it and if I think it's a good relaxing eye mask. Okay, so since that didn't work out as I planned, let's move on to the third item in the box. So the third item that I was gonna test out is the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder Eye Shadow Palette, which I'm like so excited to try. Look at these colors. I am so shocked at these colors. They're just so vibrant and bright and I love it. I especially love these 2 colors right here. This is like a deep orange and this is more of a lighter orange kind of brown tone that I am just so eager to try. But you know, today I think today I'm gonna go a little bold and I might pop this one on the crease and pop the pink one on my lid, and maybe I'll pop the blue on the center of my eyes or maybe my under eyes. I don't know what I'm doing. We're just gonna go ahead and play with it and just see what kind of look turns out with this. So you guys ready for the price for this mini Celestial Thunder palette that Miss Dominique Cosmetics came out with? The price for this is 35 bucks. So this is of course more than the box, and I am so happy that I got it, so I'm so excited to try it out. So let's get to it. So I'm gonna start with this shade right here, Lucid Dream, and it's like the pink shade in her palette, and I'm a little nervous, but so far has pretty good pigment. I like to go in light first and then work my way up. So far, really good pigment, blends very nicely, so easy to blend, and it's like really buttery. Look, it glides on the skin really easily. I really like this pink. It's a really nice pink color. And you guys, I am just loving how this shade blends into the eyes. So I'm going to go in with Storm Dust, and I'm going to apply that on the outer corner of my eyes just to bring in a little bit more depth into the outer corner. I'm going to go back in with the pink in the inner part because I feel like I lost the intensity that I wanted. And to top the eye off, I'm going to go ahead and use this shade right here, Internal Light, and that's just a topper, so I'm going to go ahead and apply it on top of the pink shade, the Lucid Dream shade. Oh, that's so pretty. And I'm going to go back in with Storm Dust and just deepen the outer corner a little bit more. Alright, so I really like how that looks. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished the other eye. Okay, so moving on to the next product that we received in our Boxycharm is these two brush sets from Boxycharm. I believe these are like their first brushes that they have launched. And the big one is a multi-purpose brush that can be used on creams, powders, and liquids. And then this small brush is for foundation. So this is what it says in the description. It says that the oval base helps with precise foundation. The oval shape helps with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. So I'm going to be using this brush for my foundation, and both these brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty free. So they are really soft, so I'm excited to see how it blends with my foundation. I'm going to be using a cream foundation, which is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. So honest opinions about this brush, it's okay. I think that my Beauty Blender does a better job blending. I mean, don't get me wrong, it did blend really well, but I just feel like the brush picked up a lot of the product. Seamless. And I did feel like it kind of dried out my face. With the Beauty Blender, I always damp my Beauty Blender, and it keeps my face a lot more dewy. Before I move on to the next product, I forgot to give you guys the prices for the brushes, and the brush set is 35 bucks. So that's not bad. 2 brushes for $35 is pretty good. So yeah. So this one isn't listed in the description, but this is another one that received in our Boxycharm, and this is from Pretty Vulgar. It's a undercover lightweight concealer. So it's a sample. It came with 4 different shades: Light White Lies, which is fair; Tiptoe Over the Line, which is light medium; The Middle Ground, which is medium; and Midnight Mist, which is Midnight Mystique, which is rich. So it goes from fair to dark. Actually, I'm gonna stick with light to medium, which is the Tiptoe Over the Line, and just apply that on my under eye. So I didn't apply that much, but it is covering my dark circles just a little. It is lightweight, so I'm going to see if I can build it up, because I feel like you can still see my dark circles, like right here. There's not much of a difference. This does feel very, very creamy, very, very lightweight. Okay, so overall thoughts on this concealer. I like it. It is a very nice lightweight concealer. I just wouldn't apply it if you're doing a full face and you're really trying to get the most coverage under your eyes. I would definitely move towards something that it's a lot more heavier, like the Shape Tape, which is full coverage. So this, I would say, is more of like a everyday kind of concealer if you just want to do like a natural look and not go so heavy under your eyes. That's when I would wear it. So I like it, but for this makeup look that I'm going for, I would prefer something a little bit more full coverage. But I am going to go ahead and set it with my powder, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished everything off camera. So I did my under eyes. I pretty much used the same colors I used on my top lid. I did the pink tone, the pink shadow. I tightlined the pink shadow, and then underneath it I went ahead with the brown shadow Storm Dust and just smoked it out, and that's what I did for my lower lash line. So the last product that I received in my Boxycharm was the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Flirty. And the description that it comes with says, our liquid matte lipstick has a velvety high fashion matte finish which envelops lips in rich long wearing color. It applies as a creamy liquid, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. And I forgot to tell you guys the price of the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick, and the price for this is 18 bucks. So everything in this box is a total of, hold on, let me calculate this for you guys. So the total of everything that I got, the palette, the serum, the lipstick, the set of eye masks, and the brush set, all that retails for 188 bucks. Like, you guys, $188, and all I paid is $25 for all this stuff. I'm telling you guys, I'm mind blown. Like, that is why I love getting Boxycharm. I feel like a lot of their products are so good, and I am never upset when I get my Boxycharm because a lot of the products that I receive I really enjoy using, and I really like, and I look forward to receiving my Boxycharm every month. So that, alright you guys, and this is the final look. This is what I created with everything that I received in my Boxycharm. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Write down in the comment box if you guys like this video, if you guys want to see more future Boxycharm videos. Make sure to comment down below, that way I can keep bringing this kind of content to you all. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe, hit the subscribe button down below, or my little face icon will pop up right there. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell, that way you guys don't miss out on any more of my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye loves. Mwah.